India gained independence from the British Raj on 15 August 1947, following the success of the Indian independence movement, which was led by the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. On 29 August 1947, a 7-member drafting committee was appointed to draft a permanent constitution, with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar serving as chairman. A draft constitution prepared by the committee was submitted to the Constituent Assembly on 4 November 1948. After thorough discussion and debate, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949. The major part of the Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950 with Rajendra Prasad becoming the first President of India. Parade. The main Republic Day celebrations are held in New Delhi, at the Kartavya Path, a ceremonial boulevard that runs from Rashtrapati Bhavan on Raisina Hill through India Gate. The event is hosted by the President of India with ceremonious parades and cultural events. The Delhi Republic Day Parade held during the same is organized by the Ministry of Defence. The President, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, takes the salute from various units of the Army, Navy, Air Force, paramilitary and police forces. Every year, a head of state or government of another country is invited as the state guest of honor for the Republic Day celebrations in New Delhi. The guest country is often chosen on the basis of strategic, economic and political interests. French President Emmanuel Macron was the chief guest at the celebrations that marked India's 75th Republic Day. On the eve of Republic Day, the President of India distributes various civilian Padma Awards. These were instituted in the year 1954 and are awarded in 3 categories in decreasing order of precedence. Padma Vibhushan is awarded for exceptional and distinguished service, and is the second highest civilian honor. Padma Bhushan is awarded for distinguished service of a high order, and is the third highest civilian honor. Padma Shri is awarded for distinguished service, and is the fourth highest civilian honor. The decoration comprises a certificate and a medallion, and unlike national honors, the awards do not include cash allowances, benefits, or special concessions. A commemorative brochure giving out brief details in respect of each award winner is also released on the day of the investiture ceremony. I hope you like these facts, and if you like our content, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the like button to show some support.